Okay, we are starting it again.
Okay.
Hello everyone, I'm Asta Jain and I warmly welcome you in today's interview session. Today we are going to talk about Rigvob and its franchisee. Today we have the real estate celebrity, Mr. Sandeep Krishna with us, who is the regional head at Telangana. Welcome you, sir. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you.
So, sir, first of all, I want you to tell us about yourself.
Sure. I pursued my undergrad in electrical engineering. With the growth of internet and technology, I got driven, which pushed me to learn C# language and got myself placed as a software engineer in Bangalore. With time, my love towards technology grew enormously. So I've decided to move up ahead in life and have a learning experience from abroad, which resulted in traveling to US to pursue my master's in advanced computer gaming and technology. After pursuing my master's, I have immediately joined at Microsoft as a software engineer.
Well, that's great, sir. So can you please describe your business journey, like how you started and how you're being at that stage today?
As I have already mentioned, I am a tech savvy. Also, I have always believed that entrepreneurship plays a key role in a country's growth. Sudhir Chakravarti, who is my beloved friend, he returned back from Australia after his master's to pursue his goal to become an entrepreneur. I used to feel proud whenever I used to talk with him. I was so impressed when he created employment back in Vijayawada. So as time passed, I was really impressed by the IT entrepreneurs like Ramalinga Raju, Narayan Murthy, Shivanadar, Ratan Tata, to name a few. They have created humongous employment and have played a key role in emerging digital India. So I will have to say that that is one of the key thing that made this life-changing decision of becoming an entrepreneur.
Well, that's great, sir. So I want to ask, is real estate something you always wished for as a profession, or was it a call for an army?
I was always excited about the way technology turns things. The real challenge in any sector is to streamline things and make it organized. As real estate business is an unorganized sector, I have felt that solving these process gaps might be really interesting. But to precisely answer your question, yeah, I would say it is call of an hour.
Okay, sir. Well, I'm really glad that you think about it. And so my next question to you is that what do you think about the working culture of Rigvob?
Turning into an entrepreneur from a traditional software engineer was a great challenge. But at Rigvob, it got a cool working culture. I had to admit that entrepreneurship not only gives freedom, it also gives us satisfaction and power to change many things. Also, I feel that Rigvob, it's a great tool to eradicate unemployment.
Okay, so do you think that Rigvob and its franchisees can help in the growth of real estate in India?
Definitely. In 2021, following the coronavirus pandemic since 2020, real estate transactions dipped at first, but received a boost towards later half of the year. The role of channel partner has grown. So Rigvob, that already has a digital presence, has leveraged on this opportunity. Engaging with a channel partner will largely increase access to wider audience, and having a channel partner like Rigvob also eases the process of selling a property and also increases options for builders and developers. I had to say that channel partners are basically first pillars of success or first pillars of sales, and Rigvob, as a channel partner, it acts as an important extended arm for sales to the developers. So I have to definitely say that having a channel partner like Rigvob could ease the process of looking for a property a lot and increases options for home buyers.
Well, thank you so much for your wonderful responses, sir. I mean, it was a great talking to you, and I learned so much about you from this interview and about Rigvob itself. Thank you so much for being with us, and we'll be seeing you in next interview soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.